Welcome to Gino's Creative Cooking. Let's try this cabbage and potato meal together. Nutritious meal, and my friend is cooking it up, and let's watch.
Salt first and saute it because that makes it cook faster.
What makes it cook faster?
Salt and onion.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Salt and onion make it cook faster.
Yeah, because salt is sodium, so it melts the onion faster. So I'm gonna do this.
You put a little bit of oil or what?
Not yet. I saute it until it got brown.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh.
Now it's all cut up.
This is the carrot and the
Potatoes.
carrots and potatoes already cut up for the cabbage. So this is the size, or you gonna make it smaller?
That's the size.
Okay.
You want it lumpy because they want it to show up here. And really take the head off. And you dice, you can dice medium size if you want, or cabbages. Give all your energy to it, okay? I dice them big size because cabbage they shrink when you cook them.
This is no olive oil yet. Oh, so you kind of brown it a bit before you.
You can add olive oil. It gives it kind of flavor. You can do the carrots. But carrots here are weak. Back home you have to cook over. You can add black pepper.
Black pepper.
Always keep that flavor.
What other spices are you going to put in there?
You can still do the same. If you want curry, you want like your cabbage to be curry, you can add curry, cumin, like anything like
Okay.
that. Yeah, those flavors are good with everything.
Okay.
And you close it for a minute. Here's the shell.
So now it's cooked a little bit.
Yeah, and then you add the potatoes.
Like that. Yeah, when I put mine, I'm going to add some curry.
Yeah, I'm gonna add
That would
mine.
be excellent.
Yeah, I do add mine. Okay.
Looking good. Really?
What I'm going to do is once you cook a little bit, I'm going to take it out and then cook the cabbage by itself.
Oh, okay.
And then add that on top, okay?
Okay.
That's not cooking, but it's my word. It's going to be Almond duck. Almond duck is you mix of veggie, carrot, and potato, and peppers, and cabbage. What they call it gumman. It's called gumman. So what I do is I saute this first, let it cook a little bit, take it out, and I'm going to show you, I'm going to add the cabbage, cook it by itself, and then mix them up.
Great.
Alright?
Looking good.
I don't want it overcooked. So once you have them sauteed and flavored, take it out. Because when you add the cabbage, it becomes mushy because you cook it even more, you know. What I do is I...
So now the potatoes, are they soft a little bit?
There. You can
Okay.
tell, like,
Okay.
if you see, they wet.
Okay.
So if you want them, when you add them after the cabbage, they're going to get softer even more.
Exactly.
Yeah. So you don't want them to like mashy potato.
Put it what?
A little bit peppers, curry again.
Okay. Oh, you didn't add any extra oil, right?
No, I didn't add any. So we have to
Okay.
actually a little bit hot olive oil. We just added back what we had, and then this is gonna look delicious. And then you just mix it up. When you cook it, but this will look. See how the color? I like color in my food and flavors. If you don't have those two things, I don't know what you're cooking. Yeah, you don't need to cook it too much. Because when you heat it, it cooks even more.